Welcome, Kids Quiz Zone. Q1. What is the missing addend? Q2. What is the missing addend? Q3. What is the missing addend? Q4. What is the missing addend? Q5. What is the missing addend? Q6. What is the missing addend? Q7. What is the missing addend? Q-8. What is the missing addend? Q9. What is the missing addend? Q10. What is the missing addend? Q11. What is the missing addend? Q12. What is the missing addend? Q13. What is the missing addend? Q14. What is the missing addend? Q15. What is the missing addend? Give me all answers. Good luck.